Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce a special feature in app ReadAI, the library function. First go to the ReadAI app, then you will see a function called library. Go to the library function, then you will see functions like search. At this point, you can quickly find the book you want to study, just type in the title of the book. At this point, there are many types, such as all, education, storybooks, cookbooks, and many more. Choose the type of book you want to study. Example, I select the type of technology, then select the type of book you want to study. Click on the PDF to enter the study. After studying, when you all return to old screen, you will see 4 special functions. First, rating. After studying this book, you can rate that book, according to your rating, by clicking on the star icon. Second, favorite. If you like the book you read, you can click on this favorite. Third, share. If you think this book is good, you can click share to all your friends or anyone. And finally, report. If this book has a problem, you can report. The point here is the comment. You can all make your comments here. Finally, thank you for listening carefully. If you have any other questions, please contact us.